Kabit tayo ng starter motor guys. Wiring harness. Naputol siya. Naputol, so ayaw na magbigay ng kick in yung starter. Kasi naputol. So ngayon splice natin to. Madalian lang ito dahil maglulose mileage yung yung bus. Splice natin. Start ang motor. Okay, my friend. Try to start now. Start now, yeah. Start na to. Tapos yan lang natin. May crack yung starter motor, but it's not bad. Still manageable. Wow! Nothing! Fuck. Okay. Start na yung kanyang starter. Ayos na. Ginawa na natin ang paraan yung kanyang starter motor dito. From the connector itself. Actually may crack yung kanyang may crack, but still good. Kahit may crack siya, may contact pa siya, so good pa ito. maka ano pa ito, makatapos pa ito ng dalawang biyahe bago papalitan. Medyo bago lang kasi yung starter motor, bago lang, kita nyo, bago, pero may crack na dito sa ano, sa kanyang puno, no? Mayroon ng crack. So ayos pa yung connector niya kahit may crack. Okay, so ayos na. Start again, start again, start again. Start. Hindi niya kinagnan yung master reset. So i-start natin doon. Okay, lalabas na tayo dito.
So, yun guys. Ihatid natin to sa Harbor Road. At doon natin ano, i-meet yung kanyang driver. So guys, mo na yung view diri. Black Rock bus station kay. Meron sang dark station diyan. Yan ang dark station. Train station. Actually. So, seaside. Makikita nyo dyan, seaside yan. So, in the middle of the, what is this? In the middle of the thing, in between the island, dyan ang maraming isda dyan, banda. Okay? And then, tawag nito. So, hinihintay natin yung bus na 591. Yung kanyang bulkhead ng ano daw, may issue, no? Yung kanyang bulkhead ng ramp. So, kailangan nating ano, i-address yun, putulin o whatever. So, yan, pakita ko lang sa inyo. Okay, so this is the view. Yan, yan yung dark train, dark station. Pang long distance na train ka na siya. Dark long distance, biyaheng court, 3-4 hours trip from Crook. So long distance. And then ano pa ba, so yan na muna guys, papakita natin. Tapos ano pa ba, yan, naalis na siya. Alis na yung dag, long distance. It's a very very long train actually, as you can see there. That's about 200 meter ang haba, 200 meter ang haba. So mahaba. Peaceful dito sa may Black Rock. Peaceful. And then medyo tahimik dito mga tao dito. Walang gulo. Okay. Makikita nyo yan. Hintayin natin yung 591. Okay. Yan. Yan sa bandang pinakadulo dyan. Pinakadulo. Yan yung nuclear power plant. Makita nyo. Kaya power plant yan. Okay. We have to wait, we have to wait. Shout out kay ano dyan, kay Puyan o Doris. Medyo madali yung ano servicing ng sasakyan, no, dahil ano, pinapahintay pa tayo dito. May darating na bus na kailangan i-fix yung kanyang bulkhead ng ramp. Okay, yan ang train, yan haba talaga, haba 200 meters guys, 250 meters ang haba.